Do you know there is one tiny YouTube feature that can quietly boost your watch time, increase your reach, and literally make the algorithm fall in love with your channel? I'm serious. The algorithm will just be smiling at you. This feature is called YouTube playlist, and the funny thing is that most small creators don't touch it, talk less of using it well. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use playlist to boost your watch time, increase your reach, and make the algorithm treat you like a VIP. But before we move on to do all of that, let me quickly tell us what a playlist are. A YouTube playlist are collections of videos that play orderly and are related to a common subject. This simply means this video talks about the same topic, the same subject. For example, a video that teaches digital marketing, or a video that teaches YouTube growth, or a video that teaches quadratic equation. Think of it like a small basket where you arrange videos that talks about the same thing. Everything inside that basket plays in order, one after the other, and that's it. I hope I'm making a point. But the funny thing is, most creators don't even use this feature. Some don't even notice it exists. And that's quite sad because playlists are extremely powerful. One of the biggest benefits of using playlists is that it helps increase how long people stay on your channel. And the more someone stays on your channel watching your videos, the more the YouTube algorithm start paying attention to your channel and start pushing out your content out the more, which will in turn give you more watch time. And watch time is one of the major signals YouTube check when deciding who to promote on the platform. Now imagine this: if someone click on one video in your playlist, there is a very high chance they will watch the second one, then the third one. This will automatically increase your watch time, your engagement, and visibility. And another sweet thing you should know is that playlists show up separately in search results. Your playlist can rank on YouTube search and even on Google search too. They also appear in suggested videos because YouTube wants people to stay longer on the platform, and playlists help YouTube achieve that. So the algorithm naturally gives playlists more attention. Now that you know what a playlist is, let me help you create your own playlist, and I will be doing voiceover with this. So let's go on. Now, to create a playlist, the first thing you're going to do is to open your browser. I'm currently using Chrome browser for this tutorial. So on the search bar, you're going to type youtubestudio.com. Once it loads up, long press on the first result and this option will pop up. Now click on open a new tab in group. This is going to load YouTube Studio in a desktop mode. Now look at the top right here. Tap on create and this option will pop up like upload video, go live, create post, new playlist, new podcast, new course. Now you're going to select new playlist and a fresh window will open. Here you are going to type your playlist title. Please, when typing your title, don't use generic phrase like my videos, my YouTube stuff. Those things do not rank and they will not help your playlist appear in search. Instead, use keyword-rich titles. For example, since my playlist is about YouTube growth, SEO, scripting, and all this good stuff, I'm going to call it YouTube Growth Hack. Start and grow your channel the smart way. Your playlist title must be clear, readable, and contain relevant keywords so it can rank on YouTube and even on Google search. Plus, viewer will immediately understand what the playlist is about. After typing your title, add your description, choose your visibility, public. Okay, make sure your visibility is on public. Select your language. All of this will help with your ranking. To add videos to the playlist, tap add, select all the related videos you want, then click on done. These are the 14 videos that I selected. Now I'm going to click on create. That's it. That's basically it. So here are all the 14 videos on this playlist. Now let's talk about how to add new videos to your playlist anytime you upload a new video. For this part, we will be using the YouTube Studio app. So go ahead and open the YouTube Studio app. Tap on content. You will see your videos, short, live, and playlist. Now tap on playlist, then click view all to see all the playlists you have created. That is if you have more than one playlist or you created more than one playlist. Now go back to videos, select the videos you want to add, tap the pencil icon, tap add to playlist. All your playlists will appear. Select the one you want. For me, I'm choosing YouTube growth hack. Start and grow your channel the smart way. Click on done, further click on save, and that's it. Now to check if the video is added to the playlist, go back to playlist, click on view all, further click on your playlist title, and you will see the video right here. I hope you can see my own sitting comfortably here. So guys, that's how you create and organize your videos in a playlist. And that is it, my love. Using a playlist might look like one small thing like that, but trust me, it makes a big difference in your channel. Apart from making your videos or your channel well organized, it also helps viewers to easily find your videos. It keeps them watching longer, and it sends signal to YouTube that this channel is worth promoting. So go ahead and set up your playlist. Your future watch time will thank you. So tell me, which part of this video opened your eye the most? Have you been using playlist, or you are just hearing about it today? Let me know in the comments, and don't worry, I respond to all comments, so keep it coming. I'm glad you watched this video to this point. If this video helped you, do well by giving this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do well and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your bell notification so that you will get notified when I drop new video. If you are a small creator and you are still struggling on how to upload videos on YouTube the correct way, I have a video for you. This video will guide you on how to upload and optimize your video to get more views, more subscribers, and watch time. I will leave the link of the video right over here, so make sure you click on this video and watch it. For now, bye. I will see you all in my next video.